Hi, how's your week been? I don't think I did this video last week because I was away in Birmingham on the Monday and the Tuesday. Fantastic couple of days, learned an awful lot, felt really, really motivated. Came back, plugged my laptop in, and the charger had broken. I must have damaged it somehow on the train on the way back. So Wednesday and Thursday I was without my laptop, and consequently I don't think I did this video. But it's been a really, really incredible week actually, because last week really focused my mind on where the business is going to be going. So it's the focus is going to be on supporting as many children as possible, which has been the focus for a long, long time, obviously. But we're going to be focusing on growing the membership group and inviting secondary school children into that, and also building the franchise and getting that up and running again. So I for the idea of getting secondary school kids involved in the membership group, or opening the membership group up to secondary school children, I created myself a list of things that need doing, and that means can I work through my list and tick them off. I've got a deadline set, so it's not just a it happens when it happens type of thing. Um, so I can get working through these and get that up and running as soon as possible. So what it is basically going to mean is, instead of just having the math sessions for primary school children during the day on a Friday, we'll also have try and remember how this works. Once a week we'll have a math session in the evening, and that will be still games based. Then once a fortnight we'll have an English session, which will be games based. So the sessions are more games based, but then once a fortnight we're also going to have more of a revision session when we'll look at something and we'll work through it. So it might be an extract from one of the set texts, or it might be some aspect of math, simultaneous equations, or something like that taken from the curriculum that commonly comes up in the exams, but again, something that people commonly struggle with. So that's the goal, to incorporate that into the secondary school learning. We'll also have the book club back up and running. So I've got a set of resources I need to get sorted. I've just uploaded an advert onto Facebook for the workshops to try and raise awareness of it. Um, all hopefully to build the brand, so that as the brand grows, people grow aware of the tutoring, and in turn the franchise and the support that we can give. So yeah, it's felt like a really, really productive. It's felt really busy, because tutoring is also incredibly busy at the moment. But yeah, feels as if things are going in the right direction. So that's fantastic. And hopefully any day now, Clara will have her baby, and that will coincide with Angel returning to the UK tomorrow evening for her half marathon on Sunday. So yeah, it's busy, but it's fantastic. So hope you've had a good week as well. And I hope it's a good week coming, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Any questions on any of this, always please do ask me. Take care and bye for now. Bye.